18 Small Business Ideas You Can Start on Instagram. Instagram has proven that it is a great platform for both keeping in touch with old school friends and starting a small or full-scale business. Knowing that Instagram can be an online platform where you can easily make money and become rich is persuasive enough to start a small business based on your abilities, skills, and capabilities. There are many small business ideas you can start with, and we are going to put them down here. Instagram Small Business Ideas. If you have made up your mind to start your own small business on Instagram and promote it online for free, you can get inspired by these ideas. Choose the best one as the core of your business based on your abilities. 1. Influencer. Being an influencer is the first thing that comes to mind when it comes to making money on Instagram. In order to become a successful influencer, you need to grow your follower base, which means you should also do a bit of mass follow on Instagram. You can simply collaborate with other companies and businesses and promote their products and services. According to statistics, 74% of buyers get influenced by the word of mouth. Therefore, it is more likely that your small business of being an influencer turns into a great success. You can share promotion codes, discounts, offers, etc., and encourage more followers to buy from that particular business. 2. Affiliate marketer. If you are a shopaholic or someone who uses different services, you can share the link of your favorite products or services and become an affiliate marketer for the company. Sharing the link is possible through your Instagram bio so that you can refer your followers to your bio for more information or doing shopping. Moreover, you can also promote the links through Instagram shopping. But how can you make money by being an affiliate marketer? Well, the process is easy. You get a percentage of the price paid by the buyer from the company that you are doing affiliate marketing. So, the company sells its product, the buyer gets what they want, and you get your commission. So, everyone wins. 3. Reviewer. If you are the type of person who loves to try new things, you can choose a niche in which you have enough expertise and knowledge and then start reviewing the products on Instagram. So, your task will be to try the newest products in that special niche and leave reviews on them. This Instagram business idea can include affiliate marketing. 4. Photographer. Instagram is popular for its picture-based nature and easy-to-use features. Therefore, it is the best platform for photographers to share their works and find clients among their followers. Making money as a photographer is easy on Instagram, but you should step along with the latest trends for Instagram photography. No matter what niche you are active in, you can always find a lot of clients on Instagram if you have a professional portfolio. Hence, you have to work hard to align yourself with the standards. 5. Videographer. Again, thanks to the visual nature of Instagram, video making business can get really successful on Instagram. Instagram stories and also Instagram feeds are both great for sharing the video. In addition, the IGTV feature of Instagram is more suitable for longer videos, up to 15 minutes or 1 hour depending on the accounts. 6. Stylist. As a stylist, Instagram is a fertile land to start a business in. You can style different types of people with different roles and share the photos on your Instagram account. You can also style products and prepare them for the photo shooting. Both fashion and business photos are great subjects for styling, which can attract many interested audiences. 7. Food blogger. Just like its popularity in the real world, food is also popular on digital platforms such as Instagram. You can choose to be a food blogger and review the foods in restaurants and bars. By gaining a large group of followers, you can make money through affiliate marketing. 8. Baker or cook. One of the best Instagram post ideas for your small business would be to share a new cake or pastry recipe. This way, you can attract the attention of your audience and shape a community of followers. People cannot devote a lot of time to baking and cooking these days, so easy recipes with a few ingredients have a lot of fans. Later, you can expect affiliate marketing offers and make money accordingly. 9. DIY expert. Do you have a thing for DIY projects? If they help to do things easier, they will surely receive attention. When a large follower base is attained, you can think about doing affiliate marketing and making money accordingly. 10. ASMR or slime maker. One reason that the stressed out people out there on Instagram are scrolling and exploring Instagram is to distract themselves. An ASMR or slime making profile can appear as a relief, and since it is a new niche, you can have a thriving business as there are not many competitors. 11. Traveler. Do you travel a lot? It is time to look at it as a business and simply start making money. Travel and tourism related organs and bodies such as brands, agencies, hotels, restaurants, cafes, bars, recreation centers, etc. Like to be known among people and increase their sales. So, they are happy to pay travelers to post about them. As a traveler on Instagram, you have a lot of interesting subjects to post about, and it is easy to find a large group of audience who are engaged with your account. 12. Makeup artist. Being a makeup artist by itself is one of the other popular business ideas both in the real world and on Instagram, since people care about beauty. You can post photos of your works, create tutorial videos, do event makeup such as Halloween makeup, do bride makeup, etc. 13. Artist. Regardless of the type of field of art you are working on, Instagram can become your digital gallery and portfolio where you can get a lot of followers and audience. Later, you can organize your physical exhibition and announce your event. Then, your followers can come and see your works and probably become your clients. 14. Graphic designer. Graphic design is a professional business idea in general. Instagram is a proper platform for showcasing your expertise and portfolio. Therefore, apart from your personal website, you can provide an easier way for your audience and clients to check your previous works out using Instagram. 15. Entertainer. If you are a performer, you should know that Instagram is an awesome platform that can make you famous within a short time. No matter if you are a magician, musician, singer, dance, comedian, etc. You will get a lot of attention if you have something worthwhile to share. 16. Virtual teacher. If you have a particular knowledge that you can teach, Instagram can play as your virtual classroom. Pepper your knowledge with entertainment and get more private students. This way, you advertise for your own classes on Instagram using your knowledge. 17. Fitness coach. Do you have physical capabilities and knowledge of training plans? You can start your fitness coach business and share your knowledge and expertise with those who are interested. You can share your knowledge about healthy meal plans, workouts at home, sports products review, etc. People are enthusiastic about getting professional lessons and plans for their physical exercise or diet for free. Therefore, you can expect a lot of followers accordingly. 18. Meme maker. If you have a large amount of sense of humor and creativity, you can consider a meme making business on Instagram. There is always a lot of audience for such businesses as people need to have fun and entertainment. Conclusion. Starting a small business on Instagram is an easy task, but it requires a lot of patience and hard work. When the business is finally successful, you can enjoy the result and be happy for the time you have spent. The main point is that you should be sure about the expertise you want to share and keep yourself updated all the time so that you are always along with the latest trends. Such a strategy helps you gain many followers and establish your business image among the users. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.